Creating a Revolut account from Bangladesh is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is download the Revolut app from the App Store, or you can use Google Play Store for Android devices. Then, install the app on your mobile device and open it. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for a new account. You may need to provide your mobile number and create a password. After that, verify your identity. Revolut typically requires users to verify their identity by providing personal information and documents. Have your identification documents, such as a passport or national ID, ready for the verification process. Then, link a payment method. Now, link a payment method, such as a debit card or credit card, to your Revolut account. After that, set up your account. Once your identity is verified, you can set up your account preferences, including currency settings and security features. Add funds to your Revolut account using the linked payment method. Then explore the various features offered by Revolut, such as currency exchange, budgeting tools, and international transfers.